Garmin has once again proven why it remains a dominant force in the smartwatch industry with the release of its latest software version 4.28 update for the Garmin Bounce 2, a device known for blending health, fitness, and safety tracking with smart LTE connectivity. This update is more than just a routine software patch. It's a significant leap toward refining the Bounce 2's reliability, performance, and overall user experience. Released globally as a free over-the-air update through the Garmin Junior app, software version 4.28 introduces critical bug fixes, performance enhancements, and most importantly, improvements to LTE calling and messaging stability, making it a must-have for every Bounce 2 user. If you recently purchased a Garmin Bounce 2, priced around $299.99 on Amazon, you'll be glad to know that this update addresses many of the issues users encountered since launch. The previous version, Software 4.19, was the device's original firmware when Garmin unveiled the smartwatch about a month ago. While it laid a solid foundation, many users reported system crashes, brightness inconsistencies, and LTE call drops. Garmin has listened closely to feedback from its global community and crafted version 4.28 to deliver smoother performance and enhanced connectivity. Let's dive into every detail of this powerful update, understand how it improves your device, and whether the Bounce 2 now finally delivers the seamless experience Garmin fans expect. First and foremost, the software version 4.28 brings 9 key changes, including 5 crucial bug fixes and several system-level optimizations. One of the standout improvements is a reduction in screen brightness during sleep mode, a simple yet meaningful tweak that directly benefits battery life and nighttime usability. Many users have complained that the display remained too bright, disturbing sleep or draining the battery overnight. With this fix, Garmin has fine-tuned brightness controls to automatically dim the display in sleep mode, ensuring better comfort and efficiency. Next up is a connectivity fix that directly impacts LTE calling stability. Previous builds occasionally fail to connect calls or drop them mid-conversation, frustrating users who rely on the Bounce 2 for quick communication. Garmin has resolved this issue, making LTE calling not only fast to connect, but also more consistent during calls, ensuring smoother voice transmission and fewer interruptions. This is especially important for parents using the Garmin Bounce 2 as a safe smartwatch option for kids, as reliable communication is key for peace of mind. Another critical bug fix in version 4.28 addresses crashes during swim activity deletion, a problem that some users experience when trying to manage saved workouts. The update ensures that deleting or editing activities, including swim sessions, now run smoothly without system instability. Similarly, Garmin has resolved an additional crash issue on the lap alert page, which previously occurred when users selected specific data fields. With this fix, the watch handles all data fields correctly, preventing any potential interruptions during workouts. In addition, the power off page is now accessible even in school mode, a highly requested feature by parents and guardians. Previously, when the Bounce 2 was running in school mode, a restricted environment to help children focus during classes, users couldn't easily power off the device. Garmin's fix now makes it possible, offering better control and flexibility. On the performance side, Garmin has improved LTE bar responsiveness, which means the signal strength indicators now react faster and more accurately. This helps users better understand their network status in real time, especially when switching between different connectivity zones. Garmin also fine-tuned the user experience of the in-call page, ensuring smoother transitions and preventing potential interface freezes when a call is in progress. The analog watch face has also been optimized to fix issues with the hands not displaying correctly, a small but important detail that enhances the overall polish of the interface. Another subtle yet valuable fix is a correction of weather request frequency, improving how often the watch fetches and updates local weather data without overusing LTE resources or battery power. Beyond the technical improvements, what really stands out in this update is Garmin's dedication to listening to its user community. These refinements reflect months of user feedback, reports, and testing, a hallmark of Garmin's commitment to long-term support and reliability. The company's decision to roll out this update globally in such a short time frame after launch underscores how proactive Garmin is about maintaining device performance and ensuring customer satisfaction. It's a reminder that the Garmin Bounce 2, though initially launched as a child-friendly smartwatch, is quickly evolving into a robust LTE-enabled device that appeals to adults and families alike. Its combination of GPS tracking, fitness features, safety alerts, and now improved LTE calling makes a versatile choice for anyone looking for a reliable smart companion without being tied to a smartphone. Installing the update is simple but requires a Garmin Junior app, the companion app used for managing the Bounce 2. Once you connect your watch to the app, software version 4.28 will automatically appear as an available update. Garmin strongly recommends keeping the watch charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi or LTE network during installation. The process typically takes less than 10 minutes. And after restarting, you'll immediately notice smoother animations, quicker response times, and better LTE connectivity. What makes this update even more exciting is its impact on real-world usage. For parents using the Bounce 2 to keep tabs on their kids, the improved LTE call stability ensures better communication, even in weak signal areas. For fitness enthusiasts, the bug fixes mean fewer crashes and a more reliable experience while tracking swimming, running, or cycling. The update also enhances battery efficiency, since dimmer brightness during sleep mode reduces unnecessary drain. Even minor improvements, like the more responsive LTE bars and smoother analog display, add up to a noticeably more refined smartwatch experience. Looking at the big picture, Garmin's approach with software version 4.28 shows its long-term vision for the Bounce series, creating a family-oriented smartwatch that evolves with continuous software support. Unlike many budget smartwatches that are abandoned after launch, Garmin consistently refines its ecosystem, ensuring both performance and security are top-notch. While this update doesn't introduce major new features, it significantly enhances the watch's core reliability, the foundation of a truly dependable smartwatch. Now, let's talk about what this means for LTE communication in Garmin's ecosystem. The Bounce 2's LTE connectivity is still primarily used for calling, messaging, and safety tracking, not for heavy data usage or streaming. However, the improvements in LTE bar responsiveness and call handling make it clear that Garmin is optimizing its network integration for more stable performance. These upgrades could also pave the way for future firmware updates that introduce richer LTE functionalities, possibly expanded messaging capabilities, faster data sync, or improved real-time location sharing. Garmin's software roadmap is known for its incremental but meaningful updates, so we can expect that this 4.28 release lays the groundwork for upcoming enhancements in 2025. The consistent focus on connectivity reliability, user safety, and interface stability shows that Garmin is positioning the Bounce 2 as a family-friendly communication tool rather than just a fitness watch. And with its growing reputation for secure, parent-controlled features through the Garmin Junior app, it's becoming an attractive alternative to other child-friendly smartwatches like the Apple Watch SE or Fitbit A series. From a usability perspective, Garmin's fine-tuning of the in-call experience is one of the update's highlights. The smoother interface transitions reduce lag, and quicker response times make voice calls more natural and less frustrating. For users relying on the Bounce 2 in areas with inconsistent coverage, the improved LTE signal detection and recovery process ensure better connectivity continuity. It's small changes like these that collectively transform the user experience from good enough to genuinely dependable. One detail worth appreciating is Garmin's transparency with its changelog, which outlines every fix and improvement. This level of openness is rare in the wearable tech industry, where many brands push silent updates without disclosing details. Garmin's detailed release notes not only help users understand what's new, but also build confidence in the brand's ongoing commitment to support. So, should you install the Garmin Bounce 2 software version 4.28 update? The short answer is a definite yes. It's free, globally available, and packed with meaningful improvements that make your smartwatch faster, safer, and more reliable. Even if you haven't experienced the listed bugs personally, updating ensures your device remains compatible with Garmin's future software releases and avoids potential performance hiccups. As always, make sure to back up your watch data before updating and keep your Garmin Junior app up to date for the smoothest experience. In conclusion, Garmin's latest update may not reinvent the Bounce 2, but it absolutely perfects it. The improvements in LTE calling and messaging, the attention to system stability, and the fine-tuned performance enhancements all contribute to a much more polished device experience. Garmin continues to raise the bar in post-launch support, showing that smartwatches aren't just about flashy hardware, but also about reliable software evolution. If you already own the Bounce 2, update right away. And if you're on the fence about buying one, this update proves that Garmin is serious about long-term support and performance. With this level of dedication, the Bounce 2 is no longer just a kid's smartwatch. It's a smart, secure, and connected family companion. That wraps up today's breakdown of Garmin software version 4.28 update for the Bounce 2 smartwatch. What are your thoughts on Garmin's commitment to improving its devices post-launch? Do these updates make you more confident in choosing Garmin for your next smartwatch? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Only on TechVerse, your trusted source for cutting-edge technology insights and innovation.